With them, we shift our focus to other breaking news coming in. We've been told activist Sonam Wangchuk and fellow protesters have been detained by the Delhi police at the Singhu border. Authorities have imposed Section 163 of the BNS in the area. Rahul Gandhi has also expressed outrage over the arrest and said, why exactly are elderly citizens being detained at the border for standing up for Ladakh's future? My colleague Mendi with us on the broadcast. Mendi, what exactly is going on as far as the Singhu border is concerned? We've been told that Ladakhi activist Sonam Wangchuk and other protesters who were marching towards Delhi have now been stopped in their tracks by the government.
Delhi's big developments are coming from the Singhu border because around 120 people from Ladakh, including the climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, who had marched to the national capital demanding 6th scheduled status for the Union Territory, have been detained by the Delhi police at the city's border at the Singhu border. And according to the Delhi police sources, the detained people, including Wangchuk, have taken to Alipur and also the other police stations along the city border. And if we talk about what happened exactly, then Wangchuk and others wanted to spend the night at the border. They were initially requested to go back as prohibitory orders were imposed in Delhi, but when they did not stop, the policemen who were already deployed at the border detained about 120 men, including Wangchuk. This has been said by the police officer, by one of the Delhi police officers, and they have been kept at Alipur police station right now and other nearby police stations at the Delhi-Haryana border, and also adding that they will be released after some time. But in this, protest by these climate activists, women were also participating in the march, but they were not detained. The sources have been saying this, and also adding to that, the detentions were done in view of prohibitory orders banning gatherings of 5 or more persons in North and Central Delhi. And Wangchuk on his Instagram shortly has said and posted that he has been detained, shared visuals from the Delhi border also, where amid huge police presence were there, the buses were deployed there, the Delhi police buses were stopped there, and the climate activists could be seen in the visuals also interacting with the police officials. And in his post, Wangchuk has said that several vehicles of the Delhi police and the Haryana police were accompanying their buses, and while they initially thought they were being escorted as they approached the national capital, it was clear that they were not being escorted, they were going to be detained. And Wangchuk has also mentioned that as they approached to Delhi, it appears that they were being escorted, but eventually they got detained. So right now, these are the developments that are coming from the climate activists Sonam Wangchuk march that he started at Delhi border and at the Singhu border. Yes.
Okay. All right, Mendi, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast with those details. We leave it there and step into a very short break.